Did you know Henry VIII's coffin literally burst open the night before his funeral and dogs were found licking the floor beneath it by morning? Here's the full story, and it gets worse. Henry died in January 1547. His body was being transported from London to Windsor Castle for burial. The coffin stopped overnight at Seaton, and somewhere in the dark, the pressure from decomposition gases cracked it open. By morning, the leakage had pooled on the floor. Dogs had found it. Now here's where it flips from gross to genuinely eerie. A monk standing nearby said this was not a surprise. Years earlier, a friar named William Peto had warned Henry directly. He told the king that if he kept on his path, dogs would lick his blood, just as they had licked the blood of the wicked King Ahab in the Bible. Henry had that friar imprisoned. The friar was gone. The prophecy was not. The man who destroyed monasteries and executed anyone who challenged him was undone, in the end, by his own body and a dog.